today's video walk around is going to be of the Ford Transit 460 17-seater minibus. It's the L4 H3. It's the same size as the Jumbo. It's the trend model. Plenty to have a look at inside. Let's have a look. So it's low mileage, done 62,000 miles. I'm in the back of this one, but the trend, you've got your aircon and cruise. In the rear, you've got your side entry step. You've got all this overhead storage, individual lighting, blowers. You've got individual armrests. Sun example. The back two seats in the centre, quick release to make room for the luggage. Really, really nice example all round. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to speak to Nick or Chris.